Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to show you how can you easily enable automatic and intelligent charging. Let's get started. First we have to scroll down to our control panel, then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth twice. Now we have to go into Bluetooth settings, and now we have to go into device info. Now we have to scroll until we see optimize battery charging. To reduce battery aging, iPhone and Androids will learn from your daily charging routine, so AirPods can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use them. Now it's enabled, but we can disable it or enable it. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.